Alright, we're going to install the wiring here for our gooseneck. I'm going to put it in this location here. Take out the light. It has 7mm bolts in it. This is a 2019 with RAM boxes, just to make sure there's nothing behind here. Check, this looks like we're pretty good to go behind there. I'm going to put it right in about this location is where I'm going to go. I'm drilling a 2.5-inch hole. A little bit smaller, but that's what I had, so that's what I used here. I probably could have gone a little bit smaller. It does have this lip around there, so it's be close. So if I was to do this again, I would probably make it a little bit to the right, because you can see this cross brace is welded in right there. So I should have moved it a little bit tire down so we can have some more room back there, because there's not a whole lot of room to get our hands back in here to unclip this one. I don't seem to be able to get it. They got this female, and it actually slides over. There's a square peg in there, which is kind of hard to see. Need two sections here. Hopefully a flashlight, because that's kind of hard to see that square drive in there. There's a couple of combs. It's probably good enough. Of course, it's not even the same size tire or tread pattern. Clip right there. The top here that needs to be released. That would have been a pain to get. Pigtail here. And clip this one in here. We'll have to make sure you zip tie that out of the way. Pigtail right like this one does over the frame to get it up in that hole so we can plug it in. Love this cross member here because it wasn't going to fit through that hole with this pigtail on it, the end on it, and I'll just wire tie it up when I'm done. I wasn't going to have enough wire, as this is for 2018 and it didn't say it fit at 19. You can see we have plenty of wire here. And this, see, but this actually does, there's a hole right there that this will go in and sit. But if I move that over half an inch or an inch, it probably hooked in that spot where I want it. Line it up here so it's, covers up everything pretty good. I'm gonna put a little pilot hole here. I'm gonna check how that looks. Put the drill in. Don't want to break that off. Alright, so I drilled it with a 1/16 of an inch drill bit. Probably could have been a little bit bigger, but that's what I had here. And then the T20s. And that's probably a pretty good place. Like I said, I wish I would have drawn it maybe a half an inch over, an inch over. That would probably give me a little bit easier. And then under here, I spare tire out, routed it right here, up and across, and it goes right over here up into it. So that should be very nice. While shutting this, I have an issue right there. That piece right here. Good thing I didn't move it over here farther, or I would be screwed. So I just took a pair of pliers and bent it over a little bit, and now it won't hit. A 1/4 of an inch. I just bent it over a little bit so that way it still stops this from coming all the way back, but it doesn't hit this plug right here. Done. We got the hitch in, we got the plug in. It's going well until we had to bend that bracket. I don't know if the 19s are different than the 18s or what the deal is there.